Hello everyone, this is Professor Dr. Satish Polshettiwa from MIT World Peace University, School of Pharmacy, Pune, India. Today's topic of discussion is effective use of MS PowerPoint for effective teaching and learning process. So today we will discuss about how one can use the MS PowerPoint effectively to generate the proper e-contents. That is this topic for today's discussion. First of all, I would like to welcome all the participants who has been taken active participations during this 1 week specially designed FDP program, which has been sponsored by MSBT and which has been organized by MCE Society Institute of Pharmacy, Pune, on the topic of effective use of ICT tools for teaching and learning process and online assessments from date 20th of April to 25th April 2020. And this program, FDP program, has been specially designed for diploma student faculty members. I welcome all of you once again. So you will able to learn after these sessions how to create a powerful presentation, how one can use this MS PowerPoint effectively, and how one can generate the e-content properly. That we are going to discuss in this today's sessions. Okay, let us begin with this session. So, and how one can record also. Okay, but record the video from that. So this is the things. Okay, I will tell you directly. I will just open the new slides over here. So go this new slides. Now look at these slides. Now I'm just writing introduction, for example. So this PowerPoint presentation have various this we call as the contents. For example, you can type over here. The first you will able to learn, learner able to learn, outcome. Okay, this is called as outcome of this particular. You can write down the learning outcome. Whenever you are starting any topic, you always you have to tell the audience about learning outcomes. So there are always your study, your topic should be always outcome based. It has to be some outcome. Okay, then and only it has some impact. It will create impact on the students. So learner able to understand, learner able to how to use PowerPoint effectively. MS PPT I am talking impact and its impact. Now if you want to design these slides, okay, these 2 points are there. Okay, now if you want to design it properly, so just click on design. Okay, over here various designs are available, so just select any designs that you like. Okay, even if you use Office 365, they have given this design ideas, different ideas are available, so just you choose any ideas among this. Okay, now see, they have been given means your work will be, this is called as artificial intelligence, how virtual, how this kind of technology augmented and all this kind of technology are being used today. Okay, so now you can see, you can select any, no need to design the slides. Okay, already this is called as artificial intelligence, already it is being designed properly, just over to select the proper slides that you want. Okay, now see, I am taking this slides over here. Okay, now miss, it has been designed properly. Okay, you can select these slides. Okay, you close this. There are n number of options available, you just scroll down over here, n number of options available. Outcome learning, like that you can see it has some outcome because see lights is there. Okay, so like this we can see, you can take anything. Okay, like this also you can see, depending on your this needs. Okay, you can select this slides. Now I have selected these slides because this is suitable for my topic, learning outcomes. Okay, so this is nothing but the, whenever you're studying any topic, it has some outcome. So this is the slides you can create over here. Then if you want to record this, for example, okay, now this is the things. Okay, even you can apply the animations, or the animation options are there. Now you can go over there, click over there. Different number of animation applications are there. Now go and shrink. If you just click over here, it will like, it will just click on that particular topic, it will just shrink, go and shrink. Okay, it will grow and again shrink. Even you can apply on this part also, so we can focus one by one like this. Okay, now I am focusing on this particular points, flying, the next points also, this also. So you can make the audience more attentive. So in this manner, okay, likewise you can design your slides. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but it will we call as we can generate this content for lifelong. That is very very important. E-content generation is very very important, that one has to understand. Being a teacher, one has to generate the content. Once you, now this is the opportunity you are getting during this vacation periods, national lockdown period, you just take this as an opportunity and just create this e-contents, and definitely this content will be helpful during your upcoming sessions. So in this way, just now you can see how it will slideshow. I'll go, okay, from this current slide you can show how it looks. Now see, so it will makes more impactful. Okay, now I have to record this. For example, now I have to record these slides, entire things. So options are there. Go to slideshow, then slide record slideshow options are there. Now you can see this feature is there in Office 365. You won't find this kind of features. Only you can record the slides in your older versions of Office, maybe Office 9, 10. You will find this thing. Okay, above Windows 11 you will be getting this feature. It is the official legal. We have the legal license of MS Office. That's why I could get all these kind of features with me. Okay, now see, you can see entire features: record, stop, replay. Okay, then you can write the notes also over here. If you want to write notes over here, you can write down notes over here. Okay, they have been given the panes. Okay, now if you want to write something over here, for example, I am to write, now you have to explain over here. This is kind of things. Okay, you can explain like points over here. You can draw, you can use any color from this. Eraser also provided, you can erase whatever you want. Okay, this kind of provisions are there. You can highlight the things. If I want to highlight this particular things, learner able to understand how to use MS PPT effectively. The next points, you can take another color. It impact teaching and learning process. Now see, means you can make the audience, your students, more attentive, because nowadays lack of attendance, lack of students, you all of you know, it's a challenging task to all of you to make them students learnable and all these things, because see, now the generation is very very fast. Okay, we have to always take into consideration this so many parameters. So you have to use these digital platforms. You have to make your you have to prepare your lecture in such a way that student can attain your lecture and they will understood the topic properly. Okay, teacher's role is, now it has been changed, it has been transformed as a facilitator. Now teacher has to facilitate the things. So you have to make them, you have to always prepare for the problem solving. Otherwise you can give the problem to them. There are two ways one can get it, solve the problems. Okay, you have to always make the students critical learner rather than passive learner. That is very very important. I am going to take this topic in upcoming sessions. Now you can start recording over here. You click over here. You can you can just talk on these particular things. Okay, learner able to understood, like that you can record these things. Okay, okay, then you have to, another option is there. If you want to clear the sound from this particular, again you can repeat the slides, again you can talk on that particular slides. Okay, so timing is there, you can see the timing. Okay, how much time you require for one slides. So a lot of features are there, means in particular MS 365 Office. Okay, you'll be getting all these features where one can do all these things. Okay, you can have a setting over here. You can set it properly as per your requirements. Camera setting, microphone settings. Okay, I have set my camera over here. You can set the recording properly. Okay, if you require bigger screen, you can take a zoom this screen. Okay, so number of features are there. Thank you very much. This is the way one can present the things. If you have any questions, you can use chat boards. Okay,